In this video, we are going to see how we can do a side-by-side comparison of different parameters in bar chart. So in this particular example, we have put the sales amount in the rows and we want to compare the region-wise sales year by year. So we have only 2 years of data, and for each region, we want to compare it in 2 years. So for defense, year 1 had this sale, year 2 had this sale, so we can easily manage the performance. So how will we do it? Let's see. First of all, let me just clear this entire sheet, and it's completely blank now. Let's do it side by side bar chart, let's say. And now let's start placing the data. First of all, if we want to make a simple comparison, the sales, we need to put it in rows, and the regions, let's put it in columns. So this is a simple chart, but let's say that we want a side-by-side comparison of year by year for particular regions. So we have 2 years in the data. Let's put the date in here. So it's arranged by years, but this one is showing in the line chart format. Let's change the marks from automatic to bar charts. And now we have the side-by-side comparison. Just remember that if you have multiple years to choose from, it will be very difficult for you and it will be very extensive as well. So in that case, you must switch it up to only 2 years or 3 years max. Let's say we have 5 years data. So in that case, for each region, 5 bars will be shown and it will make it overcrowded and difficult to read. So it's ideal for side-by-side comparison for 2 years, for 2 months, and so on. Now, the question is, if we have multiple years, how will we filter that? It's very easy. Let's put the date in the filters. Let's actually put the years, and we can choose the years from here. Click on apply, click OK, and that's how you can filter. But since we only had 2 years, it's fine. On the right hand side, we can see that this white space is completely empty and we want to fill it up till the end. So from the top, we will switch from standard view to entire view and it will take up the whole space. This makes the charts more visible. Now, both of these lines are blue. I want to switch the color of one. What we'll do is just hold this year. If we simply hold it and drag it to colors, you will notice that both of the bars will be combined into a single bar and it's just showing the comparison within that bar. We don't want that. So instead of that, what we'll do is we will still drag it, but this time we will hold the control key. So hold the control key. What this will do is this will keep the bars intact, only changes the color of another bar. So just hold the control key and then drag it. You will notice that the second bar color changes and now you can easily manage and see a side-by-side comparison for both years. So that's how you do the side-by-side bar chart. And obviously, if you want to switch it to the column chart or bar chart, you can swap the rows with columns. So that's how you do it. Just try this by yourself and I will see you in the next one.